Hey everyone, this is Nourin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. We are on the 9th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. Today we are going to learn 25 must-know English words that you can use every day. You need these words daily. This can help you speak English more naturally. It can make you sound more confident, and this will help you improve your daily conversation. I'll tell each word, their meaning, and a sentence out of this word. So, let's get started. Let's first look at some words that can help you express your thoughts and opinions. First one, consider. Consider. To think about something carefully. You will be thinking about something in order to make a decision or choice. Example, I'll consider your idea. It means I'll think about your idea. Or, we are considering you for the job. It means we're thinking about taking you for this job. Second one, realize. Realize. To suddenly understand something or to suddenly become aware of something. I just realized I forgot my keys. She didn't realize the meeting had been moved to a different room. So in this both cases, we realize means we understand or we become aware of. Assume. Assume. To think something is true without proof. Like you accept it without any proof. I assume you will come to the meeting. It means I'm not sure about it, like I don't have any proof of it, but I assume means I think you will come to the meeting. Don't assume everyone knows what you're talking about. It means you should not be sure or don't think that everyone knows what you're talking about. Convince. Convince. To make someone believe something. I convinced him to try it. I somehow made him try it. She tried to convince her friend to join the dance class. It means she is making her friend believe that this is a very good dance class and please come and join that dance class. Interpret. Interpret. To explain the meaning of something. Can you interpret this message? It means can you translate the words? It also means translate words of this message. The teacher asked the students to interpret the poem in their own words. It means the teacher asked the students to translate it or to explain the meaning of that poem in their own words. Now let's look at some words that describe situations or feelings. Frustrated. Frustrated. Feeling upset because of difficulty. Or you can also say you're annoyed because you cannot do something. I'm frustrated with my slow computer. My computer is very slow. I cannot properly work on it. So I'm frustrated. I'm annoyed. I'm kind of angry. She felt frustrated when she couldn't solve the problem. When she couldn't solve her problem, she felt upset. Relieved. Relieved. The word itself has its meaning, relieved. It means feeling relaxed after being stressed. Feeling happy because something difficulty or something that is worrying has ended. I feel relieved after the exam. One of the best example, right? I feel relieved after the exam. After exam, you're so happy, you're so relaxed that you don't have to study anything. She was relieved to hear that her friend was safe after the accident. Hesitant. Hesitant. Unsure about doing something. You are not ready to do something because of doubt. He was hesitant to speak in front of the large crowd. Yes, we sometimes become, we feel like we are unsure to speak in front of a large crowd because we fear the people, like, oh, what will they think? Yes, our example, let's take the example of English. We are sometimes hesitant to speak English because we fear our mistakes. The next word, Determined. Determined. It means having a strong will to do something. Determined. She is determined to win. You are determined to learn English. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. I used this word in my most of the episodes. Feeling like there is too much. It's like you are overpowered with emotions or work or anything to an extent that you cannot cope up with it. You cannot do it anymore. It means like you are overfilled. I feel overwhelmed by my work. It means you feel that you are given a lot of work. He felt overwhelmed with emotion after knowing the good news. It means he has a lot of emotions going on after hearing the good news. Negotiate. Negotiate. It means compromise, to discuss and to reach an agreement. The two companies negotiated a deal to work together. They negotiated a good price. Prioritize. Prioritize. To make something more important. To give importance to one thing over other. I prioritize my studies. You should prioritize learning English. The next word, criticize. Criticize. It means to point out problems or mistakes, to express or to show disapproval or fault. He criticized my work. It means he found some fault in my work. He disapproved my work. It's easy to criticize others, but hard to help them. It's a true sentence. Like, it's really easy to point out someone's fault, but it's really difficult to go and help them out. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. To accept or admit something. He acknowledged his mistakes. It means he accepted his mistakes. I would like to acknowledge the help of my colleagues. It means I'm ready to accept the help of my colleagues. Demonstrate. Demonstrate. To show how to do something, or to show or explain how something works. The teacher demonstrated the math problem. She demonstrated the proper way to use the new software. It means she showed or she explained about the new software, on how to use the new software. Now let's look at some adjectives for everyday use. Complicated. Complicated. It means hard to understand or difficult to deal with. This math problem is complicated. We used to tell this a lot of time during our childhood when we do a math problem. This is very complicated. I cannot do this. It's very difficult. Reliable. Reliable. It means can be trusted or depended upon. My car is old, but still it's very reliable. Even though my car is old, you can trust my car. You can depend upon my car. She is a reliable friend who always keeps her promises. She can be trusted upon. Significant. Significant. Very important. Or it means having a large effect. This is a significant event. This event is very important. The new law will have a significant impact on the environment. The new law will have a very large impact on the environment. Convenient. Convenient. It means easy to do or use. This is a common word and we use this often. It's more convenient to work from home than to travel every day. It means it's better or easy to stay at home and work than to travel every day. Typical. Typical. Normal or usual. It was a typical day at work today. It's typical for her to arrive late for the meetings. It means it's typical, like it's usual her arriving late for the meetings. Now let's look at some common expressions and verbs. Assist. Assist. It means to help someone or to support someone with something. I assist customers at my job. It means I help the customers at my job. He assisted his friend in moving the heavy furniture. He helped or he supported his friend in moving the heavy furniture. The next word is acquire. Acquire. To get or obtain something. I acquired new skill. It means I gained or I got new skill. She acquired a new skill by taking the course. She got a new skill by taking up the new course. Discover. Discover. It's easy, right? This word. It means to find out something new. He discovered a new restaurant. It means he found a new restaurant. Scientists recently discovered a new species of bird. Transform. Transform. It means to change something completely. The experience transformed me. I am planning to transform you to a good English speaker. Yes, I'm going to change you, completely change you to a good English speaker. The last word, expand. Expand. To make something bigger, increase in size or number, or to increase its importance. She wants to expand her knowledge of the foreign languages. They plan to expand the store. They are planning on making the store bigger. So guys, that's it. These are the 25 words that can help you have a good conversation or to speak naturally in English. Now I'll give you a little task. You should choose 2 words out of these 25 words and comment down 2 sentences in which that word is included, okay? 2 sentences related to English learning. Your sentence should be related to English learning. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.